Hello everybody. I wasn't expecting to review this one today because I ordered a different Phantom, the earlier release by Airfix of the black and camouflage option Phantoms. But they sent me this one from Hannon's, so I'm going to reorder the other one and show you this. It's the latest issue from Airfix, and it's one number different. There's an A on the end of this. That's the one I ordered, that's the one I got. Anyway, nice bit of box art, nice background. They got the land there, look, and coming through the clouds up on a mission, air defence mission probably. So we'll have a look at this large kit, 172 scale, but still quite large. I'll show you the instructions and the decals you get for it first. Right, so you've got three options here. You've got the Navy version, which was used on the Saratoga and Ark Royal in 1978 for our anniversary there, which I won't be building because I got the other Navy version. I was going to build one of these grey ones, one of which is the speed record holder from Land's End to John O'Groats. Little map of Britain there in the decal. So that must have been the mission patch for it or something. So that's what's his name? Michael Pugh Davis and John Brady. Yeah, so 43 Squadron. That's one of them. And the other one you get is the 53 Squadron Watersham in 1991, which is probably one of the last years we had Phantoms in the RAF. Say we, Britain. So there we are, there's nice colour decal instructions. Decals themselves, large sheet, because with a Phantom you've got the main decals, and there, and the ones for the grey, pink and light blue. But I gotta laugh because look at the stencil detail by here. Look at all the different stencil information you got on the decals. Quite a few, aren't there? It goes up to 400 odd different items. So you've got plenty of magnifying glass work to do there. And how do a decal stencil information be without a stencil information chart to show where to put the stencils? So that's what you get. Nice big stencil information for the kit. That's going to take a while, I believe. And on the other side for the other version, for common, for the FG1, 481, 521 decals. Alright. The instructions are quite involved and complete. They suggest 3 versions, but you've got so many different versions you can have with this kit. It's basically one kit for about 3 or 4 different, 5 different versions. In flight, or catapult, or all folded up. I'm not going to do that, I'm not going to do that, I'm not going to do that. I can do just on the ground with the nose wheel lowered. Got all these different options, cut away this, cut away that. But I'll show you the kit itself and you'll see that you've got lots of things, lots of options there. Nice little, got a full tube for the air intake there. A full tube, it goes in longer than you'd expect. In the old days you just go a couple of millimeters in and just paint it black with all these bomb options and missile options, and you can have the elevator in different positions. Look, options for the tail, additional rudder. You have the wings folded up or down. You've got the flaps options, air brakes, different parts for different options all over the place. So it's quite a large instruction sheet, but clearly marked, and there we are. There's the weapon stores options. most of which I think are for the ground attack version, which isn't the version on the box, but is the version I was ordering. There we are. Even got the option for the finless bomb dummy missiles, I think. So, I think it helped with the balance. I've been told, I reviewed once, somebody say they put concrete ones in to help keep the centre of gravity in the right place. Now, this is my only problem with the kit. You've got the raised cockpit option, but in order to get into the raised cockpit you should have a ladder, but you don't. There is no ladder with this kit, and like other kits with options for open canopies, they don't supply a ladder. So I don't know why companies don't supply a ladder. The only ladder I've seen in a while is on the old Hasegawa Jaguar. So anyway, here's the plastic. Crack on with the plastic, there's a lot of it. I won't open this bag, I don't like getting things, clear parts, dirty. But the clear parts are clear, which is all you expect really. There's clear parts there. Obviously one for the complete canopy down cockpit canopy. And you've got parts for the radar if you want that exposed, and I think you've got these parts here for a reconnaissance pod or something. There's clear windows and whatever. But yeah, nice sprue for the clear parts. And I'll try and go through this bit by bit. Here's the wing tanks and missiles and everything. It's the darker grey plastic that we've got used to from Airfix now. They've changed to. And you've got options for the rudder fin, and there's some of the optional wing tips, wing edges. There's the top of the wings there. There's have a quick look at those. It's nice recessed, finely recessed panel lines. Get those in the light. There we are. See, nice bit of detail on the wings. And that's what it's like throughout really. You've got a lot of detail. There's the little air intakes there, see? Straight in. Second all the air in. There's the outside of the air intakes. And we got two more. This is one of the options for the rockets and rudder and radar parts for sticking the radar out under carriage. You can see what's what. The various parts for the tail. Two different tail parts, look. So I don't know what the difference is. Looks the same size, but there's probably a slight difference. This looks like a part for the machine gun and the reconnaissance pod or something. Again, which aren't listed as needed in this part, in this kit version. There's a bit of sink mark there, isn't there? You see that sink mark? That'll need to be filled and sanded in if you use that. I'm not sure what part that is actually, to be honest. Perhaps it's the back of the tail, is it, somewhere? Anyway, that's 4 sprues. 2 small ones, 1 big one so far. You got the main underside. I've got option here for the wingtips to have the slats down, leading edge deployed, and these are the more slats deployed again. So all these different options. You've really got all the options you want except for having a ladder to get in the cockpit, but never mind. And these the blades you won't see without the torch once they're all in place. 3 burners. Nicely you've got, this is focused here, moulded in harnesses. And we've got the instrument panel areas, which I think, if I'm right, you've got the decal for, as you do usually. Decals for the instruments. I can't see anything else apart from that. And different options for the arrestor hook, there has to be a reason for that, and the refueling probe if you want to extend it. Last but not least, you've got the main part for the fuselage, two-part fuselage, and a little recess for the whatever that is, the door opens on the side, and the wingtips folded part. See, stick it in there. I don't know where you got these. These are structures to hold the wing in place, I think. And you got two of them. I don't know why. Probably different options. Again, you get lots of options, but you've got to really read the kit. So there it is, the latest version, which I didn't order, for the Airfix Phantom, which is a very nice kit. And maybe in a couple of years I'll get around to building it. So smile everybody. Say teeth grin. Ta-ra for now.